Hey everybody, welcome back to SV Blown Away. In this week's episode we have a very eventful sail down to Ithaca. We arrive in Vathi and tie up side 2 on the quay.
We are Natalie, Ian and Nelson, and together we are living a life less ordinary.
Good morning! 21st March 2022, what are we doing today?
Leaving
Meganese.
I'm going to cut to that movie where they do they all shoot off into space to save the planet, like we're about to do. And it's leaving on a jet plane. I don't know if I'll be back again. Leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again.
So, Truman, this is who you found to save the planet.
We untie our lines and pull up the anchor from Vathi and Meganese. Great holding means lots of cleaning.
If you feel lonely, I'll be here waiting for the sun. It's getting closer, but it will never last down. Here by the ocean, fire is burning, flares in the wind.
Note to our viewers, we are not sponsored by Furlex Furling Systems.
Yeah, but now we could be. I mean, I'm open to discussion. Maybe we could start a dialogue with them.
Until then, I just have to pull up the headsail.
A new day will soon begin. That's what I've been here for all along. I have no doubt. I know you really want to stay till the fires burn out. Days like this will slowly fade away. Memories will stay the same.
Coming on to the wind!
Fire is burning, clouds in the wind. Over the mountains, I see the moon slowly creeping. I have no doubt, I know you really want to stay till the fires burn out. Days like this will slowly fade.
The trip started out with a perfect 15 knots from behind. Sunshine, flat waters.
6 knots already.
Always stay the same.
So we kicked back and got into the groove.
If you feel lonely, I will be here and wait for the sun.
We've left Meganese and we're on our way to Vathi in Ithaca. We're going down there to do some laundry of all the crazy things. We're going to spend the night down there having washed our smalls, and then we'll be heading south again. That's the plan anyway. So stay with us. You ready? You ready?
There's a lot of colors, I don't know where to go. See a lot of colors, only feeling blue.
what do you think of the weather forecasting in this area?
There's a lot of colors
Well, you have to see the humorous side of it.
lost within a haze.
What happened today?
Forecast was for gusts of 20 knots,
2025, I think.
20-25, gusts of 20 to 25 knots. We've got a true wind speed of 8 and not enough wind to sail.
Yes. A lovely day of, let's go sailing down to Ithaca. It'll be a lovely sail. Headsail up, wind behind us, beautiful. That's turned into, okay, engine on, headsail down, and now we're bobbing around.
The swell was just spilling the wind from the sails all the time. As the boat's rocking, the wind's just filling and spilling and filling and spilling and filling and spilling, and she ended up ripping the headsail or something stupid. So took the decision to drop the sail, turn the engine on, which we didn't really want to do, especially with the price of diesel. And the bank manager let them know we're going to have to refill the boat.
But the boat speed went down to 1.1 knots at one point, which
like
is
a
a little
10-hour
depressing.
time to destination, which is we've basically got laundry to do. I need some clean pants.
On that note, with a visible wind line in the distance, we decide to hoist the mainsail.
The same for me, standing by the shore, while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore.
Lots of wind there.
Dreams are not the same for me. Standing by the shore, while you're on the open sea. Cannot take this anymore. Certain shade of blue.
Before we got the chance to hoist the Genoa, this happened.
You need to come at it from the other end. Hey? You're never going to hold on to that, are you? Watch you get smashed in the head with that. Matt, please.
With the wind and the wave size increasing, we decide to wait to repair it in port. And the beautiful island of Ithaca. How you feeling about your nice relaxed sail to Ithaca?
Perfect. Couldn't better, really. Fix all that damage when we get in and, think about doing something else. Find a camper van.
In fairness, the only thing that got damaged was the block, the roller that goes along the track for the mainsail. So there's the track. It kind of, for some reason, the end stop just disappeared. So the roller and the track came off. So apparently it's not the first time. But yeah, we need to reconnect that when we get in. But at the moment it's a crazy sea state and big gusts, so we're staying safe till we get into the calm of Vathi in it. So, our current situation. The main sheet traveller car is now jammed into the boom blocks We now have no control over our main sheet. We now cannot reef, and we're in for a roller coaster ride all the way into Ithaca. The whole crew were very pleased to be tied up in Ithaca. The islet of Lazaretto at the entrance to the Bay of Vathi hosts the chapel dedicated to the Transfiguration of the Saviour, built in 1668. Since 1560, the islet served as a 40-day quarantine station for ships entering the harbour. Vathi was devastated by the 1953 Ionian earthquake, which left only a few buildings standing. Gradually, the buildings were rebuilt in the original Venetian style. A law was passed in 1978 protecting the architectural heritage of the town, mandating that style and colour of all repairs and new constructions must be preserved. Vathi is the largest settlement on the Greek Ionian island of Ithaca. It is located in the southern part of the island in a deep natural harbour. It has a population of roughly 2,000 people. We would like to say another big thank you to all of our Ko-fi and Patreon supporters for making these videos possible.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Come and join us next week as we continue to explore the beautiful island of Ithaca.